Hello. In this lecture, we'll look at a few examples of how software development lifecycle models are selected. The first model is one where we combine test level and test activities. This is to achieve project context. Now here's the example. Suppose we have to do integration testing for a test level, and our testing activity is interoperability testing. We want to combine the two to achieve our project context. So let's look at this project context that requires the combination of these test levels and activities. Integration of commercial of the self software product into a large system. This means there are smaller components of a software that will be combined to create the larger system. Or if you have a large system, another company can provide smaller softwares for support which can be integrated into your system. And sometimes the purchase team may perform interoperability testing at the system integration level. So when the team is carrying out the integration testing, they will also do the interoperability testing. Let's now move to the second example. Here again, we combine test levels and test activities to achieve project context. Suppose you have a functional, non-functional testing level and operational testing activity. We combine the two for a project context. Here's what that context looks like. We want to do an acceptance level testing. Sometimes functional, non-functional, acceptance and operational testing are combined together during acceptance testing. So to achieve acceptance level testing, we combine the test level and test activities here. Now we take a look at a different model. Here we have two models of software development lifecycle, Model 1 and Model 2. We are not combining test levels and activities here, but two software development models in order to achieve the project goal. Now suppose the product is in the prototype state. Prototype means that it is in the initial or starting stage. For this, you can use the incremental model. Over time, you can develop smaller features of the product little by little. But if the product is in the development stage, then you want to use the agile method. This will let you get the product ready to launch into the market as early as possible. But if the product is in the maintenance stage, like when the customer comes back with a defect and you have to correct it, then you use the V model. So as you can see, we use different software development lifecycle models to achieve the final project goal. We use incremental model for the prototype stage, agile method for the development stage, and the V model for the maintenance stage. So you have a single product and different decisions at different levels. Now on to the second example. Here you have a single product but different objects. However, you're still combining different models to achieve project goal. Suppose a company creates a device, develops a product, and provides a service. For each of these objects, they can use separate software development lifecycle models. In order to provide service, they can use one model. To develop product, they can use another model. And to manufacture a device, they can use yet another model. So in this video, we saw a few examples of how different models can be combined, or test levels and activities can be combined to achieve a project goal or context. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Happy testing.